HAZRAT MUHAMMAD Gift.
HAZRAT Muhammad had some followers who are farmers. Whenever they reaped their first harvest, they used to bring fruits and offer them to HAZRAT Muhammad. HAZRAT Muhammad would then distribute the fruits among those who were with them. One day a poor man brought a single fruit from his small farm and offered it to HAZRAT Muhammad. HAZRAT Muhammad tasted the fruit and kept on eating it without sharing it with the others present. One of his followers then asked HAZRAT Muhammad why he had not sharing the fruit with them. HAZRAT Muhammad just smiled and waited till the poor man, who had offered him the fruit, left. Then he told his followers that the fruit he had eaten had not fully ripe. Had he shared it with them, at least one of them would have mentioned it, and that hurt the poor man's feeling. Thus HAZRAT Muhammad decided to eat the fruit alone to prevent that from happening. Be considerate and don't hurt the feeling of other.
Like, comments, share, subscribe to me YouTube channel Shahar TV if you like my videos.